Hey guys, it's Yasi and I'm back with another hair video today. It's been a long time since I did a hair video, but I'm just gonna do one real quick today because I'm going somewhere and I have a cute little quick hairstyle I wanted to do, but I'm hoping it's quick because I don't have much time. But yeah, so this is the hairstyle I'm gonna be doing. Just a simple bun. There's two options right here. There's one with like a middle part showing kind of, and then there's one with like no part. Which one I end up doing depends on how my hair acts. I want to try and do the middle part one, but if I start brushing it back and all my hair just kind of goes backwards, then we're just gonna let it happen. And usually I don't use heat, but today I'm just gonna do what I want to do. So I'm gonna be using this flat iron, and I also have a mini flat iron that I just bought in this little pouch. I'm gonna be using this too. This right here. It's just this cheap little flat iron. I think I got it from Marshall's or Ross. And I'm gonna be using some edge control. I don't have that much left. I need some more, to be honest. I might use Eco Styler gel because when it dries, it has great hold, but it does make your hair like wavy if it's straightened. But yeah, I also have this wet brush, fine tooth comb, edge brush, and because I'm dramatic, I have some heat gloves. And I also have the dimming brush for my curls in the bun because I want them to pop. And then also I have this for my edges just in case they aren't laying down with the edge control. They should, especially if I straighten them, but yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. I'm just gonna put music and let y'all kind of watch what I do instead of trying to explain it. And yeah, my background look crazy. Ignore that, okay? I'm at my boyfriend's house. It's a little crazy in here. All right, y'all, so first I'm just looking at my hair and admiring it because I don't really wear it out that much. And man, look at that length check going crazy. First thing I'm gonna do is flat iron my roots to make slicking my hair into a bun way easier. I am able to slick my hair into a bun using Eco Styler gel and a brush and like water, but it takes me way longer to do that. When I do this method, it's better when I'm like having a time crunch and I want this done quick. So I just run the flat iron through my roots a couple times all throughout my hair. Once you're done with that, you're just going to go ahead and start styling your hair backwards. And I'm trying to figure out if I want a middle part or not, and I decided no middle part will probably be better. Then I'm going to slick my hair back with my wet brush. No product yet, just kind of getting it in the direction that I want it to go. I want this bun not to be a high bun, but I don't want it to be a low bun either. I want it to be kind of like in the middle, like rest in the middle of my head, kind of like how you see here. And I like to tie my hair at the top out of the way because it helps the hair tie go over my hair better, because as you can see I have very thick, dense hair and it's long, so that just helps me better do ponytails. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my edge control, and I'm just gonna put that all over my hair. I'm just gonna use the Even Extreme Hold edge control. I usually get this one because it's the cheapest. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start combing the edge control into my hair with my comb, just trying to smooth it in. And I'm gonna use my brush also to further help me smooth it in. Then I'm gonna go in with my edge brush, and I'm just taking out my edges so that they aren't pulled into the ponytail. I want them all to be loose and free. I also prefer to wear my side tufts out, and I like to take out 2 pieces of hair in the back. That's just my style preference. So as y'all can see here, I am doing that before I go ahead and put it into the ponytail. Then I'm going to add some more edge control to further make sure everything is molded and smoothed perfectly.
I like to be away my patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Once I have my hair smoothed right where I want it, you're going to see me going with 2 hair ties because like I mentioned earlier, my hair is very thick and it needs a lot of hold. So I'm going to use 2 hair ties and go ahead and tie my hair into a midway ponytail. And once I get the ponytail nice and smooth and exactly where I want it, I'm going to release my hair from that little tiny ponytail I did at the beginning to keep it out the way. And I'm just going to take some gel on the ends of my hair and start defining them with that gel, just because when I do this bun, I want my curls at the bottom to stick out a little bit, and I don't want them to just be frizzy and crazy looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel to give it a little definition. Now that my ponytail is defined, I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping my hair around to get that bun that I'm going for. I'm not really good at doing top knot buns or like buns in general, so it took me a couple tries to get it how I wanted it to be, and it still didn't end up looking the way I wanted it to be, but I just gave up because it's like, okay, it's good enough and I don't want to sit here and stress myself out. So once I get it to a spot that I think is good, I just go ahead and put a hair tie around it to secure it, and I wanted my curls to hang out at the bottom, so you can see that happening here. And I'm just going to go ahead and further define the curls at the bottom with my dimming brush and a little bit more product so that the curls can look really perfect and defined. Here you can see I'm just brushing out the tufts of my hair because I'm about to start going in with my mini flat iron and curling these pieces so that they can look good and they can give me the look that I was trying to go for today. And once I get all of my tufts curled, like my side pieces and everything, y'all are gonna watch me curl my edges as well to get the little messy curl look that I want for today. And after I curl my edges, you're gonna see me going with some edge control and just basically style them in a wispy kind of way. And that's pretty much gonna be the end of this hairstyle. Alright guys, so that's it for my hair video today. I hope y'all like my hair. I'm a little disappointed with my bun. I don't know why, something's throwing me off, but other than that, I love the way everything else came out. Very cute. This was a pretty easy style to do. I did it way faster than I thought I was gonna end up doing it, and it feels very secure. It's giving it's gonna last today and some other days too. I might update y'all on how long it lasts. Don't quote me on that. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe for more hair content or other content from me. I'm gonna insert one more clip after this of me like with my clothes and stuff on, because right now I just got on loungewear and essentially pajamas. So yeah, I'm gonna do one more clip where I show y'all like my earrings and stuff and when I got everything on. But yeah, I hope y'all like this hairstyle. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love, Yasi.